But the only concern means that CSK has no intentions in winning this game. Till from the initial stage till the final death overs, they just want to knock it around, get past the end overs. They just have no intentions. In the initial stage, Ruturaj has mentioned that they want to reduce the run rate in the later stages. But there is 1 or 2 games is okay. But it's been almost 4 games here. Still, if they had the same intentions, it's not really going to work. And they completely had no intentions. That's what is really hurting us. If they had intention, if they pulled some shots and they got out of them, that will not be a concern here. But the only concern, they have no intentions completely. Bowling, fielding, it's not appropriate, not in proper function. That's okay. But batting, they just doesn't have that mindset yet. MS Dhoni. To be honest, I'm a Dhoni fan, but I am not really happy to see Dhoni playing for us in this condition. At least if he goes for some force or tries it and he gets out, means that will not be hurting him. But this is what he has the capacity, but he's not utilizing it. To be honest, I find this is a reason for selling the tickets. Maybe not from the real management side, but some fans say they're speculating this. I don't know. But each and every season they are saying. But to be honest, if he's not capable, he's done a real great job for country as well as CSK so far. But yet, if he's not able to deliver it till now, it's better to retire, I would say, as a Dhoni and CSK fan.
But it's quite disappointing because I think the fielding was not that great from CSK, and then they gave away too many runs, and then at last they were actually struggling and to contain them. And you cannot blame Dhoni or the lower order because they can't do it. The pressure was too much to actually take that. So hard luck to CSK. Quite sad. Coming from Scotland and just losing, seeing the favourite team losing, it's quite sad. Thank you. There are not many encouraging players out there. The players are there might be for historical reasons, and that is actually not happening because it is cricket and people who are not performing should be changed, right? Because every other team, they are actually making those changes. They're bringing in new faces. They're bringing in young blood, and that is what is needed in CSK. That's my thought.
So Dhoni always takes the game very deep into the game, but this was a very good bowling effort from Delhi as well. But I think our batting and also some fielding miscatch, there were some misfields in the game as well. So maybe we can avoid that. But I'm no expert. I'm just here to enjoy the game. But overall, it was a great thing. But we could have sped up the chase a little bit in the middle overs.
Shivam Dube is not hitting sixes. He's known for spin hitting, but he's very bad at hitting. He's hitting only 1 6. Last match also he had only 1 6, I guess. Very poor middle order. Rutu should open the match. Then only we can win. In power play, there 3 wickets, I guess. If Rutu comes in opening, there will be no wickets. Rutu and Devon Conway will play for at least 6 overs and set the target. Set the target for 6 overs, and then the middle order will take on. But why Rutu is coming on one down, I don't know really. It's very bad. Rachin is okay, but Rachin is good at middle order. He is good at hitting. Rutu should open next match. Otherwise CSK won't go for playoff. CSK should forget the playoffs.